Hello, friends. Today you will learn about ability and able to in English. The word ability. Ability means the power or skill to do something, any work. Let's use ability in some important sentences. She has the ability to learn quickly. His speaking ability is very good. Hard work improves your ability. Meaning of able to. Able to means having the skill, power, or opportunity to do something. Able to in sentences. She is able to speak English well. I was able to finish my work early. They are able to help us. Click on the end screen videos to learn more English words with meaning. Thanks for watching our videos.